Hello everyone, welcome to day 6 of Leftover Yarn Crochet Project Challenge. And I'm gonna make a curtain holder. I'm gonna use this color and I'm gonna keep it very simple. I cannot use a lot of yarn right now because I wanna make sure I'm gonna have enough yarn for 7 projects. So let's get started. I'm gonna use an 8mm crochet hook. I'm gonna make an I-cord. First, I make slip knot, insert the hook into that slip knot, then I chain 3. And then I'm gonna insert my hook into the second chain from the hook. Insert the hook there, yarn over hook, pull up a loop, then insert the hook into the next chain, which is the last chain. Then yarn over hook, pull up a loop. I have 3 loops on my hook. Then I'm gonna remove the first 2 loops out of my hook, and I wanna make sure I'm not gonna lose them. So I pinch it right here, then remove the first 2 loops there. I have 1 loop left on my hook. I'm gonna yarn over hook and then pull up that loop. Then I'm gonna insert my hook back into the second loop like that. Then yarn over hook, pull up a loop. Then I'm gonna insert my hook back into the last loop. Then yarn over hook, pull up a loop. Then I'm gonna keep repeating this until I have about 45 inches long. So I pinch it right here and then remove the first 2 loops there like that. Then I have 1 loop left on my hook. I yarn over hook, pull up a loop. Then insert the hook back into the next loop. Yarn over hook, pull up a loop. Then insert the hook back into the last loop. Yarn over hook, pull up a loop. Okay, repeat. I pinch it right here and then remove 2 loops like that. Yarn over hook, pull up a loop. Insert the hook back into the next loop. Yarn over hook, pull up a loop. Insert the hook back into the last loop. Yarn over hook, pull up a loop. Okay, I'll show you one more time. I pinch it right here and then remove 2 loops. Yarn over hook, pull up a loop. Insert the hook back into the next loop. Yarn over hook, pull up a loop. Insert the hook back into the last loop. Yarn over hook, pull up a loop. Alright, I'm gonna keep repeating this and I will be back soon. Okay, now I have my 45 inches I-cord. And if you want longer than this, just keep going. Okay, so to finish an I-cord, I have 3 loops on my hook, right? I'm gonna yarn over my hook like that. Then I'm gonna chain 1. And that's it. Then after that, you just need to cut the yarn. But for me, I run out of yarn, so it's perfect. I don't have to cut it. And now I'm done. So next, I'm gonna weaving these 2 ends. And then after that, I'm gonna trim this end. Then I'm gonna tie a knot. Like that. And I'm gonna do the same on this side. And that's it. What do you think about this curtain holder cord? I think it's super easy to make and beautiful. And I think sometimes beautiful stitch doesn't have to be difficult to make. A simple stitch can make a beautiful thing too. And yeah, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, which is day 7 of Leftover Yarn Crochet Project. Bye bye!